If you've always wanted to start or launch a perfume business but don't know how to, I'm not talking about buying and selling already made designers' perfumes. I'm talking about making your own unique scent. Yes, just the same way you have your skincare brand or your hair care brand. Imagine having your own perfume brand with scents and fragrances that you curated yourself. Hi guys, and let me show you how to make a simple perfume. Before I start this video, I just want you to know that we are launching our perfume production class. One of the vows I made to you guys this year is that we're bringing lots and lots of more diverse courses as long as cosmetic product formulation is concerned. This year, we're introducing about 7 more unique courses, and they are not just unique, they are going to be super in-depth. Now, back to the perfume class. In this perfume class, you're going to be learning how to make different levels of perfume. I'm talking Arabic scent, eau de perfume, those luxury designers perfume that you see, you love, and you buy. I'm going to be teaching you how to make yours. I'm going to be teaching you how to brand, how to sell, how to penetrate the market with your perfume brand. I'm going to be teaching you how to make different kinds of body sprays, deodorant, roll-ons, everything fragrances that the body need. Remember, we're a cosmetic product formulation school. So if you can think about anything fragrances, body mist, you're going to be learning it in this perfume class. So if you're ready to elevate your brand, not everybody will do skincare, not everybody will do hair care. So people have to do perfume. Let us stop importing perfume in Nigeria. My goal is to make sure the cosmetic industry in Nigeria booms, and we're contributing to that quota one lesson at a time. So if you're interested in joining this class, the opening fee is 65,000 naira, which is approximately $45. And for the first 20 persons to make payments for this class between now and 31st January, we're going to be giving the class to that person at the rate of 65,000 naira and $45 plus, we're going to be giving you a free access to our scented candles and diffuser production class. This class will start in February, but the early bird registration, early access, February, because we are still shooting the videos, we are still preparing the notes, we are still trying out a whole lot of things. But if you join in now, between now and 31st of January, you're going to be getting it at 65,000. In fact, not for the first 20, for everyone joining between now and 31st January, you'll be getting it at 65,000 naira, which is approximately $45. And you will also be getting free access to our scented candles and diffuser class, which will be launching at about the same time. So like you're getting 2 classes for the price, for even half the price of one, because when that class launch, fees goes up to 150,000 naira. So guys, thank you. Now let's go into the video. Let's go into the reason why we are here. Now, the very first step in making wonderful perfume that don't just last long is understanding fragrance blends. And for this particular perfume, I wanted a feminine scent, and I'll be going in with my Vanilla Absolute. One of the things you need to understand in perfume production is the difference between absolute, accord, and fragrance oil, which is one of the things we're going to be going in depth in the class. So we went in with our Vanilla Absolute, and after that, we also went in with our Jasmine Absolute. Then we went in with our Amber Accord. Remember, I said you have to understand the differences between absolute, accord, and fragrance oil. They're so essential as far as perfume production is concerned. Understanding your fragrance blends is key. Then I went in with my Caramel Accord. Again, understanding fragrance blend and how to layer different fragrance notes is key. If not, you're going to be jamming fragrances together that just will not hit. So you really want to understand how to blend your fragrances that go well with each other, fragrances that can work together, fragrances that will not fight each other, not the one that you're going to spray out and you're going to be smelling like confusion. You have to understand what fragrance goes with each other, what fragrance will not work, what fragrance complement each other, strong fragrance, masculine fragrances, and feminine fragrances, depending on your target audience. Then I went in with our rose fragrance oil. This smelled so nice. Like, as soon as I opened this, the whole room was lit. I wish you guys can perceive or hear Do you hear fragrance? I wish you guys could perceive the fragrance from the phone. It smells so nice. See, where you purchase your raw materials from, where you purchase your fragrance oil will also affect the quality of your perfume, because there are some fragrance oil that are fragrance oils and there are some that are not. This one hits. And finally, we went in with our white musk accord, bringing the total concentrate of our perfume oil blends to 25%. So if you're already in perfume business, whether you sell perfumes, whether you buy perfumes, can you let us know what type of perfume we're achieving with this concentrate? We have different categories of perfumes. We have eau de perfume and, other categories. So with this concentrate of perfume oil blends, what type of perfume do you think we're going to achieve? I'll let you know by the end of the video, but I just want to try you. Just let us know in the comment section. At this point, you want to give your oil blend a very good mix, because you really want the oil to blend into each other and marry each other perfectly. So you have to give this a really good mix. You want to shake as much as you can. You can use a light stirrer or just shake. So you want to just mix it thoroughly till you can feel the unity in the scent. This is the point where we begin to add in our alcohol base. So we are using the denatured perfumer's alcohol, and you don't just pour in the entire alcohol at once. You add a bit of alcohol, you shake or you stir gently, add a bit. You want to add this alcohol in bit by bit. Alcohol is like one of the major essentials in perfume production. Not all alcohols. And when I'm talking about alcohol, I'm not talking about stout and Star Radler or Heineken. I'm talking about skin-friendly alcohols. In our class, one of the things we're going to take our time to teach you are alternatives for your perfume fragrances. So if you don't have this, you can use this. Alternatives for your alcohol. If you don't have this, you can use this. And alternatives for your fixatives. You don't just mix alcohol and fragrances and think you've made a wonderful perfume. Another thing you need to add to your perfume is a fixative. The fixative is going to help to elongate the smell time. Is it smell time or the scent time rather of that product? It's going to help to seal in the scent and help that fragrance to last for a longer period of time. At this point, we're going to be adding in the dipropylene glycol. Dipropylene glycol is going to be serving as a fixative in this formula. I've already explained what fixatives do earlier on. They help to prolong the smell time, the scent time of your fragrances. They help to promote long-lasting fragrances. So a perfume that just combines of oils and alcohol is just like you doing whatever you like. What makes it a more professional standard perfume is the addition of a fixative. So now you want to blend and ensure the alcohol, the fixative, and your oils are well blended into each other. At this point, our perfume is literally ready. Only I wanted to experiment. So I added a bit of coconut oil later on, because I read somewhere that coconut oil was going to also help to promote the lasting effect of your perfume. So I decided to add a bit of it. You'll see it towards the end of the video that I added coconut oil here, and I will observe it. And once my perfume is set for use, I'll use it and I'll come and update you guys if the coconut oil was worth it. Anyways, after you make your perfume, you want to let it sit for at least 2 to 4 weeks. It's called the maceration period. So you let it sit for 2 to 4 weeks. Don't just make perfume and spray it on your skin immediately. The longer it sits, the well your fragrance sits. Your fragrance has time to relax and marry each other better. And if at the end of your production, you have a cloudy perfume like this, which is typically due to the fact that I added coconut oil, you want to filter or just let it sit. It's going to cloud out after a while. Our perfume is ready at this point, and I'm trying to package. Remember, after packaging, you're not using it immediately. You're keeping this for 2 to 4 weeks to macerate properly. And then that's it. You just made yourself a wonderful eau de perfume. And this will last for about 8 to 10 hours. Yes, it's a very strong perfume. If you want to learn more about perfume production, send us a DM and join the waitlist for our class for only 65,000 naira or $45 today. See you in class. Don't miss the early bed. Oh, you will later cry if you miss it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share this video, and let us know what you want us to make next. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.